Welcome back to Afghan-Indian kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a spicy and creamy Mutton Bheja Masala recipe, perfect for Bakra Eid. In a pan, add 100 grams of butter. Add some dried curry leaves. Add 1 finely chopped large onion and saute until the onions turn translucent. Now, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Then add the following spices according to your taste: black pepper powder, coriander powder, cumin, zira powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder. Cook this mixture on a low flame for 2 minutes. Next, add some cashew nut paste and mix it well. Cook on a low flame for another 2 minutes. Now, take 2 clean and boiled mutton brains, boiled in turmeric water, and add them to the prepared masala. Add salt to taste. And some chopped green chilies. Cover and cook for 5 to 10 minutes until the masala thickens and the flavors are well combined. Finally, garnish with freshly chopped coriander leaves. Your spicy and creamy Mutton Bheja Masala is ready to enjoy with roti or naan. Do try this recipe for Bakra Eid and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Afghan Indian Kitchen, for more delicious recipes.